And it looks like we are live. So this is, of course, English Time with Mr. Chris on YouTube. So I hope you're having a good day today. And so this lesson tonight, this lesson was requested on TikTok this afternoon. So someone was wondering about lessons for Halloween. So an easy Halloween lesson for elementary school is what today's lesson is. So an easy Halloween lesson for elementary school. So I've done this activity many times. And the activity is let's draw an original monster. So you can really just do something simple like just a piece of paper, or the one I make is just a very basic worksheet. So basically just your name, my monster, and then a spot where you're going to draw the monster. And the English that is used is pretty simple too. So since it's a monster, grab my marker. So usually you want to just start and have the students draw a body. So usually I just do a circle for the body. And then you're going to ask them some questions. So for example, how many heads? So how many heads should the monster have? So since this is only me, I'm going to use some dice. So we'll figure out whether this monster has 1 to 6 heads. So my monster is going to have 6 heads. So you can ask the students to raise their hand and how many heads. So mine is going to have 6. So 1, 2, 3, do a big one, 4, 5, and 6. So my monster has 6 heads. So the students will be answering with for body parts. So and you can also do different vocabulary, such as what shape or color for the body parts. So you can have the students draw different shapes and do different colors. So next thing for my monster, I think we need eyes. So go ahead and see how many eyes. So 4 eyes. But I have 6 heads. So I'll do an eye here. I'll do an eye here. Got 2 more. 1 more. And the last eye. So I got 4 eyes on my monster. So next we'll do a nose. So how many noses? So 1 nose. So where should I put the nose? Because I do a nose on the body. And next do ears. So how many ears? So I have 2 ears. So do 2 ears on this one. And next for mouth. So I have 4 mouths. So do 1 mouth. 2. I'll do a mouth on this head. And a mouth on this head. And then you can do also teeth. So how many teeth? So I have 3 teeth. So I'll do 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So I'm making a weird looking monster. And next you can do things like arms. So how many arms? And such as you can also do shapes. So I have 4. So maybe do rectangle arms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do hands or fingers. So how many hands? You have 4 hands. Oh, that's good. So 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand, 4 hands. And how many fingers? So you have 2 fingers. So do 2 fingers on one of the hands. And you can also do a leg. So how many legs? So my monster has 5 legs. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 legs on the monster. And do feet. So how many feet? So 1 foot. So my monster has 1 foot. You can also do toes. So how many toes? I have 6 toes. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I got 6 toes on my monster. And maybe you could do hair. So how many hair? I got 4 hairs. So I'll do some curly hair. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So And I guess the last thing we could do is a hat. So I got 3 hats. So do a hat on here, 1 hat on here, and another hat over here. So my monster. So this is a very easy activity to set up for elementary school. Especially the students will learn body parts for a lesson usually. So after you do that, like this is good for Halloween. So that's probably all for this short little one for today. So I think I'm going to do some more like videos about teaching. So I'm probably going to break down how to do a song on one of my next ones. So that's all for today for English time. So goodbye, everyone. And of course, see you next time. See you and have a good night.